Hi guys, myself Mrinmay Bora and welcome to my YouTube channel. So, as I told you that I'm gonna educate you with some study facts. So today I'm coming up with science. So the chapter number is 6, which is combustion and flame. So today we are gonna do this chapter. So let's try this without any break. So first is that we use different kinds of fuel or various purposes at home, in industry, and for running automobiles. Can you name a few fuels used in your homes? Here the chapter is about flame, fuel, fossil fuels, and the petrol, kerosene, LPG, all about fuels, okay, and combustion and how flame is formed. Then next is name a few fuels used in trade and industry. What fuels are used for running automobiles? Your list will contain fuels like cow dung, wood, coal, charcoal, then petrol, diesel, compressed natural gas, CNG, etc. Okay, these are some fuels which are used for running automobiles and many other industrial facts. So next is, you are familiar with the burning of a candle. What is the difference between the burning of a candle and the burning of a fuel like coal? So difference is that when you burn a candle, here flame is formed, or the flame, the hottest part of the candle, which is when you light a candle, there light is formed. That light contains flame, which gives hotness. So that evaporating heat is known as flame. So that is known as flame. And in the other hand, we got a coal. So when you burn a coal, it will not give such kind of outcomes like that flame. Just it will produce heat and it will give out smoke. Then next move to the next topic. Maybe you are able to guess right, candles burns with a flame, whereas coal does not. Similarly, you will find many other materials burning without flame. Let us study the chemical process of burning and the different types of flame produced during process. Okay, so here whole the chapter is based upon chemistry, and the changes which occur in this chapter is all about chemical changes. So let's move to the topic combustion. So what's combustion? I'm gonna say you the definition. A chemical process in which substance reacts with oxygen to give off heat is known as combustion. Means this process goes in a chemical process where one substance reacts with oxygen to give heat. Okay, so this is known as combustion. And next is what? The substance that undergoes combustion is said to be combustible. Means the substance which goes under combustion process, that we can refer it as combustible substance. Then next is what? It is also called a fuel. Okay, the combustible process or the combustible substance which undergoes in the process of combustion, that is referred as fuel. The fuel may be solid, liquid, or gas. Okay, the fuel may be solid, liquid, or gas. It may be solid, or it will be liquid, or it can be gas. So either as a flame or as a glow. Okay, the outcome comes like a flame or a glow. Okay, so next is, in the reactions mentioned above, the magnesium and charcoal are combustible substances. Okay, magnesium and charcoal are combustible substances because this will produce fire, smoke, heat, and energy and light. So always remember that when a substance produces fire, smoke, heat, or energy we can write heat is referred as energy also, and energy can be written as heat also. So I'm gonna say heat or energy, and light, that is known as a combustible substance. So next, let's move to the next page, which is page number 65. So here it is told about Rightly so, in our body, food is broken down. Does it burn unaffected? Watch the flame again. What happens in the three cases? Does the flame flicker off? Does it flicker and heat is produced? We learned that in class 7. Okay, when you eat something or when you have something, you'll find that your reaction in your internal parts or cells, their oxygen reacts with the food and the food gets broken and the energy is released. Up to here, your concept might be clear. And when the energy is produced, at that particular time, heat is also produced, but we don't feel it. So let's move to the activity 6.1. Here it says that collect some materials like straw, matchsticks, kerosene oil, paper, iron nails, ice stone pieces, glass, etc. Under the supervision of your teacher, try to burn each of these materials one by one. If combustion takes place, mark the material combustible, otherwise mark it non-combustible. So here are some of the materials which is asked that they are combustible or not. If they are non-combustible, just take it here. If they are combustible, it's take it here. So I hope you all are clear with the conception of combustion. So I may skip this because you can try this at home. I will show you in the next video of this, and I will give these answers also in my YouTube channel. So you just go in my YouTube channel and check this. Okay, let's move to the next activity, which is activity 6.2. So here it says that fix a lighted candle on a table, put a glass chimney over the candle and rest it on a few wooden blocks in such a way that the air can't reach or enter the chimney. Okay, observe what happens to the flame. Now remove the blocks and let the chimney rest on the table. Again, observe the flame. Finally, put a glass plate. Can you infer anything at all about the role played by air in the process of burning? So here it asks three diagrams are given, and we have to identify in each of the diagrams that whether the candle will burn or not. So let's try first in the diagram A. So in diagram A, what is given? A glass is put over a candle, and the candle, you can see this part of the candle is open. This part is open, and this is within two blocks. So obviously the air can enter, so the candle will keep on burning. But in the next activity, you can see that the candle is blocked, or sorry, the candle is blocked, and the flame is flickered and the smoke is coming out. So in this process, it gives out smoke. But now in the next process, where one part is covered and the other part is also covered, if both the parts are covered, then how, from where the oxygen will enter the glass? So if the oxygen cannot enter the glass, then it will also not reach to the candle, of course. So the candle will neither give smoke or it will keep burning. It will stop burning immediately after 2 or 3 seconds. So here said, we find that for combustion, air is necessary. The candle burns freely in the case A, when air can enter the chimney from below. In case B, when air does not enter the chimney from below, the flame flickers and produces smoke. In case C, the flame finally goes off because the air is not available, which I discussed just now with you all. So this whole chapter is based upon the chemical changes, and many other things are also there, which I will discuss you in the next video. So up to that, we have completed up to page number 65, means almost 2 pages we have completed. Then we will continue with page number 66 in the next video. So up to that, Bye bye, take care.